बुलेट ट्रेन परियोजना एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जो तेज गति, तेज प्रगति और उसके साथ तेज टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से तेज परिणाम भी लाने वाला है।
To make India future ready, the need is to bring the best in the public transportation system. The Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor is one such highly beneficial project. The route will cover a distance of 508 kilometers with 12 stations from the heart of Gujarat in Ahmedabad to Mumbai in just 2 hours' time, as opposed to the current travel time of 8 hours. With the maximum operational speed of 320 km per hour, the corridor will pass through Sabarmati, Ahmedabad, Anand Nadiad, Vadodara, Bharuch, Surat, Bilimora, Vapi in Gujarat and Boisar, Virar, Thane and Bandra Kurla complex in Maharashtra. The project is largely funded by the Japan International Cooperation Agency on very favorable terms. India will be using the world-famous Shinkansen technology for this project. National High-Speed Rail Corporation has been set up as a special purpose vehicle with the partnership of the Government of India through the Ministry of Railways, Government of Gujarat and Government of Maharashtra. The project will generate employment, boost tourism, infrastructure and the economy. Above all, it's all about fulfilling the dream of the new India. The construction work has already started in all 8 districts of Gujarat and Dadra Nagar Haveli, covering 352 kilometers of alignment out of 508 kilometers. Construction activities of 170 kilometers of Gujarat portion is in full swing. The work on piles, foundations, piers, pier caps, casting and erection of girders for viaducts and stations have started along the alignment. The bridge works on important rivers like Narmada, Tapti, Mahi and Sabarmati are also in progress. Casting yards have been developed along the alignment to cast full-span girders and segmental girders. Heavy machineries like straddle carrier, bridge launching gantry, girder transporter and launching gantry are mobilized. Full-span launching method is being used to expedite the construction of viaduct, which is 7 times faster than segmental girder launching. The passenger hub at Sabarmati is also taking shape.
मुंबई अहमदाबाद हाई स्पीड रेल जैसे हमारे फ्लैगशिप प्रोजेक्ट में जापान का सहयोग उल्लेखनीय रहा है। हम इस योगदान के लिए बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं। मुंबई अहमदाबाद हाई स्पीड रेल प्रोजेक्ट में अच्छी प्रगति हो रही है। दोनों देश इस पर वन टीम वन प्रोजेक्ट की अप्रोच के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। यह प्रोजेक्ट भारत जापान पार्टनरशिप का एक बेहतरीन उदाहरण है।